What happened to Rainmeter? Once the king of Windows desktop customization, it seems to have faded into the background as tools like Windows gained popularity. But is Rainmeter really dead? I don't think so. In this video, I'll show you 10 stunning Rainmeter skins that prove it's still one of the best ways to transform your Windows desktop. Let's go. 10. Kelson. It displays the date, day, and time, perfect for the left side of your desktop. You can easily resize it by scrolling your mouse wheel and reposition it anywhere with a simple drag and drop. Customize the text by adjusting the RGB values or pasting in a X color code for a more precise look. And if you want even more control, you can edit the skin's configuration file to fine-tune it. 9. Robic. Unlike Kelson, Robic includes a built-in music visualizer that automatically appears when media is playing. You can resize it, change its colors, and customize it to match your desktop. Simple, elegant, and surprisingly stylish. 8. Astro Weather. This is an excellent choice for accurate weather information. It offers variety of weather layouts, allowing you to choose the best style for your desktop setup. 7. Fountain of Colors. Bring your music to life with Fountain of Colors. This highly customizable audio visualizer lets you adjust the number of bars, their width, spacing, and colors with just a few clicks. You can also move it anywhere on your desktop to perfectly match your layout. 6. Bluish. Positioned neatly on the left side of your desktop, it combines a music visualizer, date, day, time, and media information into one sleek package. It's fully resizable and lets you customize the colors to suit your style. 5. Monterey. Want to give your Windows desktop a macOS-inspired look? Monterey is one of the best skins for the job. It includes a clock, weather widget, system monitor, media controls, calendar, and much more. Every widget can be resized and repositioned however you like. Despite offering so many features, Monterey remains lightweight and won't put unnecessary strain on your CPU or RAM. Four. Square Player. This combines media controls and a visualizer into one sleek package. It offers multiple layouts, sizes, and visualizer styles, making it easy to find one that perfectly complements your desktop. 3. Droptop Four. This is easily one of the best Rainmeter top bars available. It features a collection of useful shortcuts, themes, and customization options that can completely transform your desktop, especially if you're aiming for a clean macOS-inspired setup. Two. Big Sur 26. If you are after a more modern macOS experience, Big Sur 26 is hard to beat. It looks fantastic in both light and dark mode and features beautiful glass style widgets. With plenty of widgets, shortcuts, customization options, you can build a desktop that looks both premium and functional. It's number 1, Mond. Taking the top spot is Mond, one of the most iconic and widely used Rainmeter skins ever created. Mond displays the day, date and time in a clean, elegant layout. It looks especially impressive when placed at the top center of your desktop. Guys, let me know which Rainmeter skin is your favorite in the comments below. And if you think there's another skin that deserves a spot on this list, I would love to hear it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day. Peace out.